people of African origin, that is, the highly melanated people, have a much stronger, and their chemistry is eumelanin, whereas the other people have pheomelanin, which is a melanoid, which is a form of or a degradation of a type of a melanin. Melanoid means a form of the original melanin, which is eumelanin. That means good melanin, efficient, that takes all the sun rays and the sun vibrational energy in, and then the body uses it to transduce itself into heat and other kinds of forms of energy. So I did recently research in uh, melanin in the inner ear. And the inner ear is where the hearing apparatus is, and also the apparatus for balance and equilibrium. And every one of the centers, without naming them to get too technical, every one of the centers in the inner ear, those cells that cause functions to occur, where the hair cells that have to do with electrical current being generated through nerves to the brain, all of them are endowed with melanated cells and melanocytes. Those are cells that produce and mature melanin in granules. So all of these centers in the inner ear have melanin. They studied that concept using melanated mice or rats and different other kinds of animals versus albino animals. And as I said, in different animals, almost all of the vertebrates that we study in the lab, they have looked at that melanin in those ones that have pigment and those that don't have the pigment. And they found that those that don't have the pigment, after a certain amount of time, they lose the melanocytes, they deteriorate, thus the hearing is lost. And they made a relationship between balance also. So this eumelanin is quite original. I mean, it's real, and it's found throughout the earth and throughout the entire environment, from the heavens all the way down, including the people that were first here. We come from way, 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 way back. As the Dogon people in Mali said, that we come from the star Sirius. And from what I have examined, that if South America and Africa, if you push them together like a puzzle, it's one landmass. So if we were peopled on the earth in that area, when the continental drift separated those two continents, then South America has the original people in it. Africa has the original people in it. And with time, people mix up. So there were African people, melanated people, that were original in this part we call South America, as well as Africa.